Hi everyone, welcome to the Java session on JDBC introduction. In this session, we are going to see what is meant by JDBC and what are the steps in order to develop a JDBC program. Observe JDBC. The full form of JDBC is nothing but Java Database Connectivity, which means how to connect to a database using Java code. Here, observe here, JDBC is an API, which is nothing but application programming interface, which is nothing but having a lot of classes and interfaces in order to write the code which interacts with the database. See here, by using the classes and the interfaces present in the JDBC API, we can create the Java applications that interacts with different databases, whether it may be a Oracle database, MySQL database, or any other database. We can connect to that using the Java code. And we are writing Java code, and the database understands some other code. So in order to convert our Java JDBC calls into database related calls, we need a driver. Okay, now currently we are using the thin driver. There are a lot of drivers like JDBC, ODBC drivers, network drivers, native API drivers, but currently we are using thin drivers only. Now observe here, what is meant by a driver? A JDBC driver is nothing but a software component. What it means, that enables the Java application to interact with the database, which means it converts the JDBC calls into a native database calls. Observe here, this is a JDBC API which is having classes and interfaces. Now, by using these classes and interfaces, I'm going to develop a Java application, Java code. This code interacts with the database. It may be anything, Oracle database, MySQL, or any Microsoft or any Infosys or any related databases, it may be. And this is a thin driver, which means it converts the JDBC calls directly into the database specific calls. Okay, this is the example of thin driver, how it architecture will look like. And observe this. As I said, JDBC is an API. It contains the classes and interfaces, right? Now let me show you some of the interfaces and classes present in that. Mainly the package needed to write the JDBC code is SQL, java.sql package, which contains the following interfaces and classes. See the class names and interface names. Interfaces are connection is an interface. Statement, in that statement we are having many more. Prepared statement and callable statement, each having their own purpose. We will discuss them while we are writing the code. And result set is another interface. Result set metadata and database metadata. See the classes example. Driver manager is one class. Blob and clobs are the classes which are present in SQL package. Now see what are the steps you need to follow in order to write a JDBC program. By following these 6 steps, we can write any code. These are the 6 steps you need to follow. The first step is importing the JDBC package. The package we needed, which is nothing but SQL package we need to import to use the classes and interfaces present in that. And the second step we need to do is load or registering the driver. Here we need to use the driver manager class in order to load or register the driver related to specific database. If you want to interact with the Oracle database, you need Oracle driver. You need to load and register that Oracle driver. And establishing the connection. Here you need to give your credentials in the form of an URL, right? The database name and the port names and port IP address and database username and password you need to give to connect to the database. And here you need to create the statement. By creating the statement, you can further process your queries, right? By using the statement interface. And you need to execute your queries and store the results. What are the results you got and process them. Now finally close the connection so that our resources will not get wasted if there is any exception raised when we are developing the code. Okay, these are all the 6 steps you need to follow to write any code. This is all about today's session. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how to do JDBC programs. Thank you.